What if I told you that doing just one exercise every day could completely transform your body and maybe even your confidence? I'm talking about the squat. Not flashy, not complicated, but what if you did 100 squats every single day for 30 days? Would your legs turn into tree trunks? Would your knees explode? Or could this be the fitness game changer you've been overlooking? Stick around, because I didn't just research it, I did it. And today I'm going to show you exactly what happened. Spoiler, it's not what I expected. 1. The squat obsession begins. Let me take you back to the moment it started. I was at the gym, frustrated. I'd hit a plateau. No change in weight. No change in strength. And don't get me started on my energy levels. One day, I saw a guy doing squats in the corner. 100 in a row. No weights, just body weight. So I asked him, "Why squats?" His answer was simple. Squats train your whole body, legs, core, back, and even your brain. That night, I went home and Googled 100 squats a day challenge. What I found shocked me. Page after page of transformations. People claiming toned legs in 2 weeks, better posture, boosted metabolism, even lifted glutes. So I thought, let's do this. 30 days, no excuses, 100 squats every single day. 2. Week 1. Pain meets discipline. Day 1. Easy. I breezed through 50, then slowed down. My legs were jelly after 85 squats. Day 2. The soreness hit hard. Sitting down was torture. Day 3. I questioned everything. Is this worth it, I asked. But something clicked. I started breaking them into chunks. 25 in the morning, 25 before lunch, 25 in the evening, 25 before bed. It became a rhythm like brushing your teeth, but for your legs. And by day 5, I noticed something surprising. My posture improved. I wasn't slouching. My core felt tighter. And I started craving the burn. 3. The science of squats. Let's pause the story for a second. Why do squats have such a powerful impact? A. They're a compound movement. Squats work your quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, core, and even lower back, all at once. B. They activate your biggest muscles. Your glutes and legs are energy hungry. Working them revs up your metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day, even while sitting. C. Hormonal benefits. Studies show that large compound movements like squats can boost testosterone and growth hormone, key players in muscle growth and fat loss. D. Joint and bone health. Done correctly, squats increase joint flexibility, lubricate the knees, and promote bone density. So while it may feel like just a leg workout, you're actually training your entire body and building strength from the ground up. 4. Week 2 and 3. Transformation underway. By day 10, the soreness was gone. My body adjusted, and I started enjoying the process. Here's what changed. I moved better, less knee cracking when I stood up. I was sleeping more deeply. My jeans fit better. And my glutes? Let's say, noticeable lift. I didn't expect this part. My mental focus improved. Because I committed to one consistent, non-negotiable thing daily, my mind followed. I was more productive at work, less anxious, more present. Squats taught me discipline, and discipline spills into everything. 5. But wait, is 100 squats a day safe? Let's address the elephant in the room. Is doing 100 squats a day safe? Will it hurt your knees? Will it build muscle or burn calories? Here's the truth. If you do them with good form, they're very safe. They can strengthen your knees by stabilizing the supporting muscles. If you have a history of joint issues, modify your depth. Use a chair. Focus on mobility first. Will you build crazy muscle? Not necessarily. 100 bodyweight squats are more about endurance and toning than building bulk. But when paired with a good diet, you'll start seeing definition. Fast. Form is king. Keep your chest up, back straight, knees behind toes, and engage your core. And remember, it's not a race. It's about consistency, not speed. 6. Final week, unexpected results. Week 4 rolled in. I didn't have to think about it anymore. It was automatic. I'd wake up, drop down, and knock out 25. No drama, but here's what surprised me most. My back pain? Gone. My core? Stronger than ever. And mentally, I felt in control of my body again. All from one movement, done daily. No equipment, no gym, no weights. Just me, gravity, and a little grit. I didn't lose 20 pounds or sprout super thighs. But I felt powerful. And honestly, that's better than any number on a scale. 7. What you should know before starting. Before you rush into doing 100 squats today, here's some real advice. Warm up first. Even 2 minutes of jumping jacks or brisk walking helps. Split them up. 4 sets of 25 is way easier on the mind and muscles. Track your reps. Use a notebook or an app. It's motivating. Don't compare. Your journey is yours. Whether you do 30, 50, or 100, just start. Rest if needed. Take 1 day off per week to recover if your body asks for it. This isn't punishment. It's a practice. A practice in strength, self-respect, and progress. So are 100 daily squats the secret to a perfect body? Not exactly. But they are a simple, powerful, sustainable habit that can dramatically change how you move, feel, and show up in your life. Start small, stay consistent, and don't quit. That said, thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, squat strong.